So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. She has beautiful long mid-length hair. Looks like she wants to get a bob. Ooh, so she gets a nice classic bob style here. I really like the money piece highlight going there in the front to frame out the bob. Very cute. And then we hop into a Pixie makeover. So she has an absolutely gorgeous salt and pepper hair color here. This is so beautiful. Stylist puts in that layered, choppy texture. So there is the final result. This is absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, her hair color definitely makes the cut. Super cute style. Next up, we have a bob. She's got a gorgeous copper color going here. Stylist is really adding that body to that bob. And it ends just below the jawline. And then here we have someone with hair around that shoulder length. Ooh! She decided to switch it up with this beautiful pixie. I love the texture mixed in here. It does feature an asymmetrical shape. And so much body within that cut as well. Gorgeous head full of hair. And then here we have a pixie bob style. Love the way that this frames her face. It really just makes her cheekbones pop. followed by another beautiful volumized bob. Very cute. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all the hairstyle ideas that were featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.